Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by opening Picsart and importing your image. You want a clean workspace. Once loaded, crop to the final frame and straighten horizons. This fixes composition early. Make sure to duplicate the layer immediately so you can revert if needed. It's a simple insurance move. Next, set resolution appropriate for output. 72 dpi for web, 300 dpi for print, and rename the layer so you never lose track. Now refine tone and detail. Go into adjust and nudge exposure, contrast, highlights, and shadows. Small steps maintain realism. Once done, switch to selective tools. Mask or brush to target eyes, skin, or sky so other areas stay natural. If there are distractions, use the remove or clone tools to eliminate spots while matching surrounding texture. You'll preserve a seamless look. Make sure to periodically zoom out to check overall balance and avoid overprocessing. Finish by applying a mild filter or LUT to unify color. Reduce opacity to blend it in too strong looks artificial. Next, sharpen selectively at 50-100% magnification for crisp edges, and add a soft vignette to draw attention to the subject. Once satisfied, export using the right format and resolution for your use case, and save a layered or project copy for future edits. If colors shift on export, check color profile and re-export. That usually fixes it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.